I'm moving these leaves so that I can plant garlic. It's November 17th and I need to get a move on if I hope to have garlic by June. I'm planting the garlic in this log bed, is what I call it, between the beets and the carrots. And I'm hoping I have enough room for all the garlic that I have here. I've started laying it out. The variety I'm planting is a soft neck garlic called Inchelium Red. It's from Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. As I think I said, it's a soft neck garlic, and that was what I wanted. I think I actually ordered Nootka Red, and I don't know if I clicked on the wrong thing or if they changed the name or if they just sent me something else. So in any case, it's soft neck garlic, and that's what I wanted. I've started laying some of it out. I have one more bunch of garlic here to separate. Was able to get most of the garlic in this spot, but I've got about 5 more cloves left, so I'm going to put them over in the bed where the brassicas are, my greens, and the kale and the collards, mustards, and the turnip greens. But I'm going to put leaves back on this area to mulch the garlic. I decided not to plant the garlic in the bed with the brassicas. Couple reasons. It's crowded over there, a little bit crowded. There's some room, however, we are planning to redo our raised beds. In the process of getting that one done right now. This one here. It's not completely touching the ground though on this side. There's a little bit of a gap, so I'm afraid water and soil will leak out of there. Anyway, I planted the garlic, what's left of the garlic, in this bed with the 2 chard plants I have. There's also some self-sown dill and a lettuce plant that didn't freeze. I'm not sure how that's possible, but this bed was supposed to have 2 nice rows of spinach. However, my spinach, which was planted in September, is only about 1 inch tall. I had lettuce plants in this row on the side of it, and they got really big, and I think it overshadowed the spinach so that they didn't get enough sun. I am going to try putting some nitrogen fertilizer on them just to see if I can get them to come out of their slump. It may not work. And so far the weather hasn't been very cold, so I don't know when we're going to have another freeze. We had one October 31st, a hard freeze, and it's been very mild since then, so I'm going to give it a try.